what's something I do that makes you feel deeply seen, but you rarely say it out loud? I
Hmm.
love the way you've brought out all these questions. What I'm sensing in the questions that are meant for her to answer is somewhere uh, it's reflecting. So I always wonder if I'm doing the right thing as the mother or not. And the way you've put up those questions are very direct reflection and direct feedback
I'm
from me
glad.
as a
I'm glad.
mother. I'm,
If you're appreciating that, I think it's I
yeah,
think it's working.
I mean that is the whole purpose of coming.
Being open enough to receive as well, not just give your
So,
wisdom. Yeah.
okay, one thing I would say deeply seen is that there are not moments where she makes me feel deeply seen. She has set an environment where I'm constantly feeling deeply seen or everything. There are a few moments where the environment cracks or something like that. But I feel like you can ask this deeply seen to people maybe who've had a lot of cracks and they have special moments that stand out because they felt deeply seen. But for me that's 24/7, that is constantly. So it's not a rare moment, it's something that I'm surrounded with constantly. There are times that that bubble is even bigger. I would say one of those moments is that we I was really excited about Navratri this year, but due to a very popular and influential person passing away, Navratri was cancelled and I was down because again I was doing the Navratri fasting too, and I was also like, it was a lot of things to get a lot of things on my plate. And she said that no worries, we'll go on a mini trip to Meghalaya and set everything out. Okay, we'll make up for the Mr. Navratri and everything. So that was somewhere where the bubble went like much bigger. But usually I'm in that bubble of feeling deeply loved, accepted, open and free 24/7.
So sweet. Oh
So
my god.
there are no particular moments that stand out because I am in those
I don't
moments
know what
constantly.
more awarding would be. I mean, I am feeling goosebumps when she is putting it this way that किसी के लाइफ में क्रैक होगा तब उनको वो मोमेंट याद रहेगा. मेरा तो पूरा लाइफ ही वैसा है. It's incredible. Hats off. Hats off.
But I think the I'd like to answer that question for her. A few days back, uh, we were just talking, and I spoke in a derogatory way of a bully I had in my early years, and she just lashed out. Mom, how can you talk like this about somebody? It's like, Mom is a human. I'm allowed to talk derogatory about a person who bullied me. And that's fine. And she was just not ready to accept it. The conversation lasted almost 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. And my son was completely fed. I was like, how much are you people going to go on about this? But then I was glad that I was able to bring her to the point where she could see herself and accept that it is not what you said that hurt me. And that's why the betrayed in quotes comes again and again, is because that's what she said. I said, why is it hurting you so much if I spoke about this way about somebody? Like, I felt betrayed. And that
Because
is
you are not the person that she thinks that you are.
exactly, and
And
that is after a lot of constant probing and coaxing and the push and pull constant that happening, she finally came to a point where she understood herself that it is not what she said that hurt me. It was my story that if mummy is doing this, if this is also one side of mummy, she will become this completely
Conclusive again.
conclusive. And in that case, how will I adapt to her? So the fear of seeing mom as an unacceptable version as per her, that is what
it's normal for
she,
teenagers also.
being
Then
conclude
for me as
absolutely.
well, seeing the back, because when you start understanding, like the point that you start understanding a lot of things happening around in your house is when you become a teenager, because you start getting more aware and your parents are actually including you in everything. And I think it happened with me also, where I was like, कि मम्मी पापा ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Hey, and that's the part, right? I
Yeah.
think your this thing was on a higher level, on a deeper level in
Yeah.
that sense, but I think it happens with all teenagers at the end of the day,
Absolutely.
because contradicting factors दिखने लग जाते हैं ना, then you have
Exactly.
to
And
accept everybody's imperfections also,
yes,
not
and
just
this is where the bubble breaks, the childhood bubble breaks ke bhai दुनिया ऐसी ही है, and they start concluding things. So
but the most important part, that people miss is conversations.
conversation, yes.
इस जगह में अपना बच्चा को समझाना कि I will make mistakes too. I am imperfect as well. पता है कि बड़ा हो कि you only saw me as the perfect version and you want, because I had my dad as someone that I want to become because he was providing for everybody and everything. ऐसा ही था मेरा life भी. But when I started becoming a teenager and an adult, I saw the cracks that he has as well as a person. And it was very hard for me to accept him as a person because I always had him as a perfect person. That, oh, this is the goal I want to reach. But now that goal has cracks, holes, खाई वाई सब कुछ, अब ये सब कैसे पार करूंगा?
Exactly, and that is when I think the teenage rebellion also comes in
Yes.
place कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं
नहीं
बनना
बनना
है.
है. And then they're so adamant कि ये तो बनना ही नहीं है. But क्या पता आप बन ही जाओ so that you
And
get
that
to
is what
place.
ends up happening. You become exactly the same thing. So I think in that moment when I was able to bring her to that place where she could see her own story and accept her own story, I think that is the point where I felt that no, I was able to deeply see her and I was able to make her meet herself at a deeper level. So
That's amazing.
that is one satisfaction that
I mean, you have your own ways of reflecting on certain things, and I think universe just sends that to you कि रुको रुको मेरे को दिखाने दो कि तुम भी कहीं सही हो. You know?
I think this is one of those sessions that the universe is telling me, don't worry, you're doing fine.
Yeah.